Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the sheet and selecting the exact cell you want to hold the link. Click once to activate it. Make sure you know whether you want display text or the raw URL visible. Once done, press Ctrl+K or go to Insert Link to open the link dialog. This first action determines how users interact with the link, so choose Clear Display Text if the URL is long or technical. Next, paste the URL into the dialog box and type readable display text if needed. This helps other viewers scan the sheet quickly. Click Apply and then hover over the cell to see the clickable preview. Click it to confirm the destination opens in a new tab. If the link is to a specific range or file, verify permissions. Make sure viewers have access. Once validated, you can copy the linked cell to other rows without retyping. Finally, use the hyperlink URL text formula when you need links generated dynamically, for example from other cell values. This automates many rows. Also, set proper sharing permissions for files or drive links so recipients can open them. If a link fails, check for simple issues first. Typos in the URL, missing HTTPS, or restricted access. If problems persist, try
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.